Good evening, everyone. Thank you for being a part of his celebration, my dad's retirement. I want to share some few things about my dad and my mom. My dad started his career in the year 1993. He worked in Gannavaram for 28 years and he used to travel daily 80 kilometers. And in rain, in summer, he did not take any leave. He stood for his family. He serviced 33 years. In these 33 years, God has protected him very gratefully. We are very thankful to God. And coming about to my mom, she is also a teacher and she is also a principal. She also worked in Mailavaram SSA school. Afterwards, she came to Ravindra Bharati, Sri Sai Geetanjali, Michael Model School in KL University. She also did a service of 28 years as a teacher and a principal. I want to thank mom. She balanced her work life and family life at a time. And she is being a great support to my dad and to us. I want to share some speech about my dad. Today, we honor not just a career, but a lifetime of dedication, hard work and quiet strength. Dad, for as long as I can remember, you've been the rock of our family. Whether it was early mornings, late nights or weekends, when you could have rested, you always showed up for your job, for your co-workers and most importantly for us. You worked hard your entire life and not just to build a career, but to build a life for your family. You taught us the value of honesty, of staying true to your word, of doing the right thing even when no one's watching. These are the lessons that will stay forever. Dad, not just because you said them, because you lived them. Your work ethic was unmatched, but what stands out even more is your humility. You never looked for praise, never chased titles or applause. You just did what needed to be done quietly, steadily, with pride and integrity. Dad, now as you step into retirement, I hope you take this time for yourself. I hope you enjoy the slow mornings, the long walks, the hobbies you always said you would get around to. You earned it, every bit of it. On behalf of family, on behalf of everyone, thank you for everything you have done and everything you are. Here's to a new chapter, full of rest, adventure and all the happiness you deserve. Last, I want to share a single point. My dad started his career with a salary of 2,110 rupees. And God has blessed him very gratefully that we are celebrating his retirement in a very blessed way with all the dear ones. And finally, in this happy moment, I want to remember two people. My grandfather, Sri Macharla Sanjeev Rao Garu, and my grandmother, Srimati Macharla Parishuddham Garu. We believe that their prayers and their blessings are with us. As the same way, my dad, my mom, my Chidana and my auntie and my atta, their love, their support has been there with us. Today, what we are is only because of His grace and their support and their love. Finally, I want to thank God and I want to thank my family. I want to thank here who attended this function. And you can see a wish board over there near to the door. You can pen down your wishes, which will be a memory for our dad. And thank you all. Thank you. Love you, Dad, and love you, Mom.
అలాగే వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు విషెస్ కూడా తెలియజేస్తున్నారు.